So if you're wondering why it's been almost probably 10 days by the time this is edited and goes up on the channel, some failures along the way. I think in total, I probably 4 canvases, not one of my finer moments. We all have moments like this. Not every piece of art that I'm ever gonna produce is gonna be a masterpiece because, you know, I'm not an art savant. Not even close. I'm just gonna put on a cute little song and let you listen to it. And let's create some northern light color inspiration from that I found on Pinterest. The source of all my inspiration. As always, my name is Tiffany Remijn. Welcome to my channel, and I'll see you down on the canvas.
We got something magical, pretending that nobody knows, trying to hide but it shows. Lost my sense of logical, think that I'm gonna explode, echoes inside of my bones. Not the brave kind, never dare to take the leap when the chances come. You are special, ordinary, can get you out of my mind. I'm gonna do it all for you, falling so free to the wild. Gonna do it all for you, breathing in deep for the fall. Nothing left to figure out. Your music and all of my noise, coloring all of my songs, makes me wanna scream out loud. You're already under my clothes, echoes inside of my bones. Not the brave kind, never dare to take the leap when the chances come. You are special, ordinary, can get you out of my mind. I'm gonna do it all for you, falling so free to the wild. Gonna do it all for you, breathing in deep for the fall. If you're ready, so am I, diving deep into the wild. If you're ready, if you're ready, if you're ready, so am I, diving deep into the wild. If you're ready, I'm gonna do it all for you, falling so free to the wild. Gonna do it all for you, breathing in deep for the fall. I'm gonna do it all for you, falling so free to the wild. Gonna do it all for you, breathing in deep for the fall. If you're ready, so am I, diving deep into the wild. If you're ready, if you're ready, if you're ready, so am I, diving deep into the wild. If you're ready.
Although I tried to be inventive and do a ghost swipe, and yeah, I'm not so good at that either, it would appear these days.